Hey everyone, today I want to share my honest experience with day trading. The good, the bad, and yes, even the ugly. This isn't your typical get-rich-quick story, but rather my real journey of trying to make my first $100 in the market. Let me take you back to when I first started. Like many of you, I was drawn in by those flashy social media posts showing massive profits and luxury lifestyles. Man, was I in for a reality check. But don't click away just yet. There's actually some valuable lessons here. So here's exactly what I did. First, I spent 2 weeks paper trading, basically practicing with fake money. Smart move, right? I focused on just 2 stocks and watched them like a hawk during market hours. I learned about support levels, resistance, and basic technical patterns. Then came the real deal. I deposited $500 into my account, money I could afford to lose. This is crucial, folks. Never trade with rent money. I set strict rules. No more than $100 per trade, and I'd stop trading for the day if I lost $50. My first real trade was, well, terrifying. My hands were literally shaking as I clicked buy. I got in on a small tech stock that was showing a clear upward trend. Watched it go up 0.5%, then 1%. My heart was racing. Then boom, quick reversal. I panicked and sold for a $20 loss. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of giving up, I learned from that mistake. Over the next few days, I stuck to my rules, started using stop losses, and actually started seeing some small wins. $5 here, $10 there. It wasn't glamorous, but it was progress. After 2 weeks of consistent trading, I finally hit that $100 profit mark. But here's the twist. It wasn't from one massive trade, but from several small calculated moves. And yes, I had plenty of losses along the way. Look, day trading isn't for everyone. It's stressful, time-consuming, and honestly, most people lose money. You need discipline, emotional control, and a solid strategy. Plus, you've got to be ready to lose everything you put in. If you're thinking about trying it, start with paper trading, learn the basics, and please don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Remember, slow and steady isn't sexy, but it might just keep you in the game long enough to actually learn something valuable. This is my real story. No fluff, no promises of millions, just honest experience from someone who's been there. Whether you made or lost your first 100, remember, it's all about learning and growing smarter with each trade.